They said it was impossible. They told me to give up on my dreams of financial freedom. But I refused to listen. I unlocked the secrets of wealth, and now, welcome to the Money Whisperer channel, where I'm here to share with you those secrets on how to unveil the millionaire within you. Prepare to have your mind blown as we embark on a journey to transform your relationship with money forever. Let's dive in. What if I told you that the path to becoming a millionaire is not as elusive as you might think? Today, we'll uncover 5 powerful investment strategies that can unlock your millionaire mindset and pave the way to true financial freedom. Investment path. Number 1, invest in your education. Knowledge is power, and the wealthy understand this better than anyone. Investing in your financial education is the first step towards unlocking your millionaire potential. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or seeking mentorship, continuously expanding your knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions and seize opportunities. Investment path. Number 2, master the art of compounding. Compound interest has been called the 8th wonder of the world, and for good reason. By starting early and allowing your investments to compound over time, you can harness the power of exponential growth. The wealthy understand the secret, and they leverage it to build substantial wealth over the long term. Let's not forget. Imagine a world where your financial future is not dictated by appearances, but by the power of knowledge. Subscribe now and be a part of a movement that transcends superficiality, where our words paint vivid portraits of financial mastery. Let's embark on a journey together, one where every subscriber becomes an architect of their own economic destiny. Unlock the millionaire within. 5 powerful investment paths to financial freedom. In this transformative video, we'll explore 5 proven investment strategies that have the power to unlock your millionaire mindset and pave the way to true financial empowerment. From time-tested vehicles to innovative approaches, you'll gain invaluable insights and practical tools to navigate the investment world with confidence and purpose. Embrace the mindset of abundance, and let's embark on this life-changing journey together. Your path to financial freedom awaits. Let's continue now. Investment path. Number 3, diversify your portfolio. The wealthy understand that putting all your eggs in one basket is a recipe for disaster. That's why they diversify their investments across various asset classes, industries, and regions. By spreading your wealth, you minimize risk and increase your chances of achieving sustainable long-term growth. Investment path. Number 4, invest in real estate. Real estate has long been a favorite investment vehicle for the wealthy, and for good reason. From rental properties to flipping houses, real estate offers the potential for passive income, appreciation, and tax advantages. With the right strategy and due diligence, you too can unlock the wealth-building power of real estate. Investment path. Number 5, embrace entrepreneurship. Many millionaires and billionaires have built their fortunes through entrepreneurship. By taking calculated risks and turning your passions into profitable ventures, you can create your own path to wealth. The wealthy understand that entrepreneurship is not just about making money, it's about creating value and leaving a lasting impact. There you have it, my fellow wealth seekers. 5 powerful investment strategies to unlock the millionaire within you. Remember, wealth is not just about accumulating money, it's about achieving financial freedom and living life on your own terms. Subscribe to the Money Whisperer channel for more mind-blowing insights and wealth-building wisdom that will transform your relationship with money forever. Together, we'll shatter the limits and unleash your full financial potential. We'll see you next time with another round of good-natured, jargon-free money mastery.